So let's take a look at what this course is all about. This course is divided into 9 sections. We'll cover everything that you need to know how to build a secure and dynamic web application using the mean stack. We will start off with the first section by setting up the development environment and making sure all the necessary tools we need are installed and configured. We'll also cover the major components of the mean stack. Next, we'll delve into Node.js and create our first web application with Node. In section 3, we'll install and create a web application using Express.js, the most popular server-side development framework for Node. In section 4, we'll install MongoDB and a database management studio tool called MongoDB Compass, and we'll use it to create databases and perform basic CRUD operations. In section 5, we'll configure the backend by creating data models, connecting our app to MongoDB, and creating REST APIs for the Angular client to consume. In section 6, we'll transition to front-end development using Angular, one of the most prominent and comprehensive development frameworks for building web apps. We'll install Angular and create our first single-page application, or known as SPA, using Angular. We'll also learn how to create components, routers, views, and templates. In section 7, we will configure and update our Angular app using the built-in template-driven reactive forms. In section 8, we'll create web services and use Angular's built-in dependency injection system to perform CRUD operations. And finally, in section 9, we'll do a quick review of the course and provide some insights to broaden your horizons with all these technologies. In order to take full advantage of this course, just make sure you have a good understanding of web development. Be familiar with Node.js runtime and the Express.js framework, but also have some basic knowledge of the Angular framework, the object-oriented programming paradigm in the model view controller model, as well as have some basic knowledge of databases and REST APIs. But most importantly, just make sure you are comfortable using the command line interface, because I'll be using that quite extensively throughout the entire course. Now, if you want to follow along with me or build the same app in this course, just make sure your system meets the following minimum requirements. And many of these tools are available for free, and you can download them instantly from the web. I also provided all the links here if you want to download them. I will be using Visual Studio Code as my main co-editor throughout the course, but you are always welcome to use any IDE of your choice. Now, at the time of this recording, I'll be using Angular 9 for the front-end development, but any version of Angular 8 or higher should be fine. Okay, so I think that's all we need. So here we go. Let's get started.